Okay, when you play in the demo scene here, you'll see if you hit spacebar, you'll level up. So we have three things here. This is the past, this is your current level, and this is your future level. But let's dive into our attribute system here. So if I click on our test one attributes, I can double click, and then you'll see it highlight here in the project, and then it has it opened in your inspector window. I'm going to close that for now. This has two things, leveling and starting attributes. So if I open up the leveling, I'll see there's two sections. The first section is just for your debugging purposes. They're runtime values. The second section, this is the one you will want to set. And down here you have starting level. If I were to move this, you see my current level changes and my next level XP changes as well. So how is this working? Well, it's basically using your XP curve here. And I could select this one here to determine what the next level XP should be. See now it's much lower than before. And then it'll increase at later levels. And it's lerping between the first level, which is level 1, and our max level. Right now it's 99. I could put this higher. And then you see my next level XP also changes accordingly to that. So this is then how you could go ahead and change your level values. The next thing we'll look at here is our starting attributes. So I'm going to open up the stats, and we see I currently have two in here. Strength is the first one. It's only strength because I named it strength there. As the now value, that it's its current value. It's a runtime value. And we have these here, which is the things you want to set. My level 1 value, my maximum value, and then the enum type, and also the leveling curve. Here, let me reset this back to level 1 there. And now you see my current level is 1. I could change my starting level here. And as you see, as the starting level changes, my current level changes, and so does my strength. It's lerping between my minimum and my maximum based on the curve I set here. Okay, so to make your own attributes holder here, you can click on this and just duplicate it, and then rename it whatever you like, and then set the values accordingly. So that's way 1. Way 2 is you could right click, go to create, find no frills, and now this is the attribute system. So then just new attributes, and it does the same thing. Thanks for your support, and happy making.